Hey, good evening here from Scott, South Georgia. This is going to be something kind of quick, kind of a long day at work. And I decided, you know what, I want to come home and cook me some, I'm not sure how well the camera pick it up, some fried shrimp and some fried catfish. And I'm going to tell you something. Here's what I cooked it with. Louisianna Fish Fry. Now don't take me wrong, it's good. I've sampled both, you know, the shrimp and the fish. It's good, like what you get out of a restaurant, but it ain't Daddy's cooking. My daddy was the champion fried catfish cooker. I don't remember him doing shrimp. If maybe he did some, but my dad knew how to cook some fried catfish. It didn't look like this. He used cornmeal, and that recipe he used, it was something just dangerously good, along with all the Duckworth brothers. And some of my family that watches this, maybe you can chime in and let me know what that recipe was. It was, I'm gonna tell you, again, this is good, okay? It's good, but again, it ain't Daddy's. I'm gonna get that recipe and I'm gonna put it out there. Cornmeal, and it was a very simple recipe. Man, if my daddy saw me doing this and using this, he would smile and say, son, come here, I wanna show you something.